Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, are you fine, children? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay? Yes, so there is no book in your hand. Yes or no, children? We didn't get time to book. Yes? So that's why today we are going to learn some common things about our earth. Okay, children? Yes. So you can see the picture. It is the small model of the earth. Okay, so we live on the planet earth. Yes or no, children? In the solar system there are 8 planets. Yes, so we live on the planet earth. Yes, so it is the small model of the earth. Okay, children, it is globe. Okay, it is globe. So globe is a small model of the earth. ஓகே, ஸோ நம்மளோட எர்த் இப்படி தான் இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறத எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறது தான் இந்த குளோபு. ஓகே, ஸோ நம்மளோட எர்த்தோட மாடலை நம்மளுக்கு சொல்கிறது தான் இந்த குளோப். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ குளோப் இஸ் ஏ ஸ்மால் மாடல் ஆஃப் த எர்த். ஓகே, ஸோ வி லிவ் ஆன் த பிளானட் எர்த். ஸோ இட் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் லேண்ட் அண்ட் வாட்டர். ஓகே, ஸோ அவர் எர்த் பிளானட் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் லேண்ட் and water. Okay, so we get an idea about land and water distributions on the earth by looking at a globe. Okay children, okay, so you can see the picture, it is globe. Okay, then a globe however is not convenient to carry and has less details. Okay, so in the globe we cannot carry anywhere. Yes or no children? It is very difficult. Yes, globe ஒரு ball மாதிரி பெரிய ball மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த பால் நம்ம எங்கேயும் எடுத்துகிட்டு போக முடியுமா? No, that is very difficult. Yes, yes or no children? So it is very not convenient. It is not convenient to carry anywhere. நம்ம எங்கே போனாலும் இதை கொண்டு போக முடியாது. Okay, so it is very difficult. Okay, and also it has very less details. So globe very less details only. Okay, globe la continents நம்மளோட எர்த் இந்த மாடல் தான் அப்படிங்கிறத சொல்கிறது மட்டும்தான். ஆனால் இதில் நிறைய டீட்டெயில்ஸ் கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே children, so globe is not convenient to carry anywhere and also it has very less details only. Okay children, and then you can see the picture, it is the map. It is the map. So it is flat model of the earth. It is flat model of the earth. Globe round model of the earth. நம்மளோட எர்த்தோட ஷேப் அப்படியே ரெப்ளேஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் globe. Okay, and then this map it is the flat model. Okay, so நம்மளோட எர்த்தோட மாடலை ஃப்ளாட்டாக காமிக்கும். Okay children, so it is flat model of the earth. We can get more details about our planet earth. Okay children, okay, so more details we can get this map. Okay, in the globe we can get very less details only, but in map we can get more details about our earth. Okay children, next you can see the blue color is there. Is there no children? In the globe you can see the blue color. Yes, so the blue color represents the water bodies. Okay, so blue colors தெரியுற எல்லாமே என்னது தான்? கடல், water bodies. Okay, so blue colors represent the water bodies and other colors, green color, blue, pink, yellow. Yes, so that all the other colors are the land. Okay children, the blue colors are water bodies and the other colors are represent the land area. Okay, so blue color area la water, தண்ணி இருக்கக்கூடிய இடம், and some other colors also is there. Yes, blue color, pink color, yellow color. Yes, so that all land area. Okay, continents. Okay, so now let's begin with the land area, that is continents. Okay, so continents of the world. So now today we are going to learn about our earth planet. So the land areas are called continents. Okay children, so earth land makes up 30% its surface and it's divided into large land masses are called continents. Okay children, so earth land makes 30% of surface is divided into large land masses are called continents. Okay, so ஒரு பெரிய இடம் பறந்து விரிஞ்ச பெரிய இடத்தை தான் நம்ம continents, கண்டங்கள். Okay, land surface. Okay children, so our earth is made up of water and land surface. அதில் 30% land mass, 30% land mass, land surface. Okay children, other 70% water surface. Okay children, so our earth is made up of land and water. So in that 30% of surface, large land masses, continents, and the remaining 70% water bodies. Okay children, so like this only our earth is made. Okay, so now first of all we learn about the continents. Okay children, so there are 7 continents on the earth. There are 7 continents, that means land mass. Okay, land surface. Okay, so there are 7 continents on the earth. Okay, so they are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, so there are 7 continents on the earth. There are on the earth. Okay, so they are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Say children, all of you say 7 continents name. Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Again say children, there are 7 continents on the earth. Say all of you, there are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Again once all of you say, there are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay children, can you say? Yes, very good. So it is very important, you need to study. Okay children, this 7 continents name you should study. Okay, now we will learn one by one detail. Okay children, so the continents are further divided into countries. Okay, so you can see the picture, it is the Asia continents. It is the Asia continent. So Asia continent is the largest and most populated continent in the world. Okay, so Asia continent the world liye periya continent. Okay, Asia continent is the largest continent in the world and also most populated continent. Okay, so நிறைய மக்கள் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு கண்டம். Okay, continent. Okay, so Asia continent is the largest and most populated continent in the world. Okay children, and also it is made up of 48 countries. It's made of 48 countries. Okay, so in the Asia continent there is 48 countries. Okay, you can see the picture, you can see one color, one countries are there. Okay children, so Asia continent there is 48 countries. Okay, okay children. Next, Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Africa is the second largest continent. Asia is the first largest continent in the world, and then Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Okay children, so it has most number of countries, that is 54. Okay, how many children? 54 countries here. Okay, so in Asia there is 48 countries. In Africa there is 54 countries. Okay, Africa is the second largest country in the world and also it has most number of countries. So that is 54 countries. Okay, and also it is second most populated continent also. Okay, next you can see North America. So it is the third largest continent. Okay, North America is the third largest continent in the world. Okay, and also it is made up of 23 countries. Okay, so here you can see 23 countries. Okay, so North America is the third largest continent in the world and it has 23 countries. And then South America, you can see the picture, it is the South America. Okay, so South America is the fourth largest continent. South America is the fourth largest continent. It is made up of 12 countries. How many children? 12 countries. South America is the fourth largest continent and it is made up of 12 countries. Okay. Next, Europe. So Europe is the second smallest continent. Europe is the second smallest continent. Okay. So it is third most populated continent also. Okay. So it has 50 countries. How many children? 50 countries. It is home to nearly 50 countries. Europe is the second smallest continent and it has third most populated continent and also it is home to nearly 50 countries. Okay. Next you can see the picture. It is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, Australia is the smallest continent. Asia is the largest continent. Yes. So like Australia is the smallest continent. That is large, it is small. Okay, so irukirale romba kutti kandam. Okay, continent, a smallest continent, Australia. Okay children, so Australia is the smallest continent and it is also known as the country continents. So it is like a country or country mariye irukkudiya small continent. So it is known as country continents. Okay. And then last, seventh continent, Antarctica. Okay, Antarctica is the southernmost continent. Antarctica is the southernmost continent. Okay, so it is made up of large permanent glacier. It is large permanent glacier is there. Okay, so it is snow covered continent. It is snow covered continent. So it is only the continent which is uninhabited. Okay, so இங்கே மட்டும் நம்மளால் நினச்ச முடியாது, வாழவே முடியாது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா இங்கே ஃபுல்லாக எப்படி இருக்கும், பனியால் கவர் ஆகிருக்கும். இந்த காண்டினென்ட் ஃபுல்லாமே ஸ்னோ கவர்ட் காண்டினென்ட். ஓகே, பனியால் இருக்கக்கூடிய காண்டினென்ட். ஸோ இங்கே நம்மளால் நினச்ச முடியாது, வாழவே முடியாது. எஸ், ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஒன்லி uninhabited continent. Okay children, Antarctica is the snow covered continents. So here made up of large permanent glaciers. Okay, so it is only continent which is uninhabited. Okay, have you understood children? So today we learned the 7 continents. Yes, so can you say the 7 continents name children? Yes, all of you say. There are 7 continents on the earth. Okay, so they are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, so Antarctica is the snow covered continent, so there only we cannot live. Okay, so that is the uninhabited continent. Okay children, so all other continent we can live. All other continent we can live. Asia continent is the largest continent in the world, so it has 48 countries. Okay, next Africa continent is the second largest continent in the world. It has 54 countries. And then North America is the third largest continent in the world and also it has 23 countries. And then South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. It has 12 countries. Okay, then Europe, second smallest continent and also the third most populated continent. Okay, so it has 50 countries. Okay, and then Australia is the smallest continent, also it is known as country continents. Okay, then Antarctica is the southernmost continent. It is made up of permanent glaciers, so it is only continent which is uninhabited. Okay children, have you understood? Today you should study this 7 continents name. Okay, so our earth is made up of land and water. So land surface or continents, water surface are called oceans. So now we are going to learn about oceans. Okay children, Next we attention to the water bodies of the earth. Okay children, so around 70% of the earth surface is covered by water. Yes or no children, already I have told that. Yes, our earth surface 70% covered by water bodies, remaining 30% only land mass. Yes or no children, our earth is made up of land and water, so 70% of earth surface covered by land, water, and the remaining 30% of earth surface covered by land mass. Okay, so the land mass are continents, the water bodies are oceans. Okay children, so these large water bodies are known as oceans. These large water bodies are known as oceans. Okay, so there are 5 oceans on the world. There are 5 oceans. How many oceans children? There are 5 oceans on the earth. Okay, so they are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Say again all of you, the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Again all of you say once, there are 5 oceans on the earth. There are 5 oceans on the earth. They are Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Again once, there are 5 oceans on the earth. There are 5 oceans on the earth. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Okay, can you say? All of you say once, there are 5 oceans on the earth. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Okay, can you say children? Yes. So now we learn about detailing. Okay children, so the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. You can see the picture children. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. So it is covered almost half of the earth water surface. So Pacific Ocean தான் ரொம்ப பெரிய ஓஷன், வேர்ல்டுலேயே ரொம்ப பெரிய ஓஷன் இது Pacific Ocean. Okay, because it covered almost half of the earth water surface. So பாதி பங்கு நம்ம எர்த்தோட பாதி வாட்டர் சர்ஃபேஸ் எதால தான் கவர் ஆகிருக்கு? Pacific Ocean தான். Okay, so Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. Okay, because it covered almost half of the earth water surface. Okay children, and also it separates Asia and Australia from north and south. Okay, Australia, you can see children, Australia and Asia from north to south. North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean is there. Yes, so Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It covered almost half of the earth surface, and it is separate Asia and Australia from north and south. Okay children, okay, have you understood? Next, Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. Okay, and it is about half the size of Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean la பாதி பங்கு Atlantic Ocean. Okay children, so நம்ம எர்த்தோட வாட்டர் சர்ஃபேஸ் 70% வாட்டர் சர்ஃபேஸில் பாதி அளவு Pacific Ocean அப்படின்னு நம்ம படித்தோம் உடனே. And also the Atlantic Ocean also, the Pacific Ocean பாதி, Pacific Oceanல பாதி அளவு. Okay children, have you understood? Yes, so the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world, and it is about half of the size of Pacific Ocean. Okay, so it separates Europe and Africa from north and south. Okay, you can see the children, see the picture. The Atlantic Ocean separates Europe and Africa from north and south. Okay, next Indian Ocean. Next ocean, Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is then named for our country India. So Indian Ocean near the India. Yes or no? Yes, so it is named after our country India. Okay, So the Indian Ocean is the third largest and warmest ocean in the world. Indian Ocean is the third largest and warmest ocean in the world. Okay, so it lies south of India. So in the ocean எங்க இருக்குது நம்ம இந்தியாவோட சவுத் டைரக்ஷன்ல இருக்குது. Okay, Indian Ocean lies south of India. Okay, and it separates East America from Australia. It separates East America from Australia. Okay, children. Next to the Southern Ocean. Next ocean, Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is the fourth largest and also called the Atlantic Ocean. Southern Ocean is also called Atlantic Ocean. Okay, children. So the Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean in the world, and also it is called Atlantic Ocean. Sorry, Antarctic Ocean. Okay, so Southern Ocean is also called Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean is also called Antarctic Ocean. So it is bordered Antarctica. Okay, so Antarctica oda border la irukanaல da இந்த ஓஷனுக்கு Antarctic Ocean அப்படின்ற பேர். Okay, children, Southern Ocean and also called Antarctic Ocean. Okay, children. Next, the last one, the Arctic Ocean. The last one, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean on the earth. Okay, children. So it is located around the North Pole, bordering Asia, Europe and North America. Okay, it is very smallest ocean in the world. Okay, children. So there are 5 oceans on the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Okay, so the Pacific Ocean is the world largest ocean in the world. Okay, next, Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world, and then the Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world, and then Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean, and then last Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Okay, children, have you understood clearly about oceans and continents, children? So today we learn about our earth. So our earth is made up of continents and oceans. Yes, so today we learn about our earth, continents and oceans. Have you understood, children? So there are 7 continents on the earth and there are 5 oceans on the earth. Okay, so now we will say the 7 continents name, children. Asia, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica and Africa. Yes, after that 5 oceans name: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, have you understood clearly, children? So today you need to study that 7 continents name and 5 oceans name. You should study today and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children, have you understood clearly? Yes. So now all of you take your social classwork. We are going to write some classwork also. So take, children. Okay, children, all of you take your social classwork and write today classwork. First of all, write today date and day. After that, write continents and oceans. Continents and oceans. Fill in the blanks. First, fill up. We live on the planet Earth. We live on the planet Earth. You can underline Earth. We live on the planet Earth. Okay. Then leave one line and write second one. Earth is made up of land and water. Earth is made up of land and water. You can underline land and water. Okay. Then leave one line and write third one. A globe is a small model of the earth. A globe is a small model of the earth. You can underline globe. Okay. Then finished. If you leave one line. And fourth one. Map is a flat model of the earth. Map is a flat model of the earth. You can underline map. Okay, then fifth, there are 7 continents on the earth. There are 7 continents on the earth. You can underline 7. Okay children, then sixth one, leave one line and write sixth one. There are 5 oceans on the earth. There are 5 oceans on the earth. You can underline 5. Okay, then seventh, leave one line and write seventh one. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is the largest continent in the world. You can underline Asia. Okay, then eighth one, Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Then leave one line. Leave one line and write ninth one. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. And then leave one line and write 10th one. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Okay children, did you write 10 fill-ups? Yes, so now we are going to read. All of you listen. Listen children. We live on the planet Earth. All of you say, we live on the planet Earth. Again once all of you say children, we live on the planet Earth. Okay, then second, Earth is made up of land and water. Earth is made up of land and water. Okay, then third, a globe is a small model of the Earth. Then fourth, map is a flat model of the Earth. Map is a flat model of the Earth. Then fifth, there are 7 continents on the Earth. There are 7 continents on the Earth. Then sixth, there are 5 oceans on the Earth. There are 5 oceans on the Earth. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Then 10th, the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Okay children, have you written 10 fill-ups? It is very very important. You should study. Okay children, today onwards you should study. Okay, you should study this 10 fill-ups and write and see in your homework note. Okay children, the 10 fill-up படிச்சு என்னோட homework noteல எழுதணும். Okay, so that is the homework today. You should study and write in your homework note. Okay children, then we will see you next class. Have a nice day. Bye.